Hey guys, in this video we are going to install 25 solar panels, almost 10 kilowatts of DC power on a shingles roof. Panels are going to be connected to two Tesla Powerwall Plus with a solar assembly, and I'm going to use Tesla backup switch to isolate system from grid in event of grid outages. If you are interested to see installation, let's jump into the video. As usual, I'm using Iron Ridge racking. For this project I'm using XR 100 rails, so in this case I can do 60-inch distance between flash foots, so it's speeding up installation. Compare if we're using XR 10 when we have to do 48-inch span. And here's the progress after first day. We did install all flash foots, all rails, grounded rails, and did install 10 panels. Here's a Tesla mid-circuit interrupter for rapid shutdown. It has to be installed each 3 panels and just connecting in series between panels, and it's speeding up installation a lot compared to AP Smart or Tiger rapid shutdown devices. From solar panels to Tesla solar assembly, I'm gonna do attic run. So I'm using 3/4 flexible metal conduit to run from a J-box to the garage. It was a lot of rain during the installation, so we constantly have to switch between installing solar panels and electrical work in the garage. Solar panels installed on 2 different parts of the roof, and those parts connected with a 3/4 EMT conduit, and now we're gonna run wires between them. Conduit length is about 20 feet, so it's not hard to pull wires for this distance. But to make it even easier, I'm using a foam lubrication, so wires go smoothly into our conduit. Now we can install strain relief cord connector, and we are good with this junction box. After running all the wires, I can finish main junction box, and I'm using DIN rail connectors here, which are really convenient. Now it's time to unpack Tesla Powerwalls and solar assemblies. Powerwalls are gonna be wall mounted, so with a magnet I'm locating studs to install mounting hardware, and by the code we have to follow 3 feet distance between batteries unless those batteries passed UL 9540A tests, which Tesla did. So in this case we don't need to do 3 feet distance between batteries, and we can mount them next to each other. The weight of one Powerwall is 344 pounds, and Tesla recommending to buy a special Tesla dolly to lift Powerwall and hang on the wall. But the price for this dolly is about $2,000, and if you're not installing Powerwall every day, it's kind of expensive. So what we just did here, installed Powerwall on a lumber to raise this, and then just a little bit lifting this, we're installing this on the wall. And now I'm mounting the Tesla solar assembly. We're gonna have main unit and expansion unit. Next step, I'm installing 2 metal boxes and running conduits between Powerwalls. running all conduits, we can install AC disconnect, and we need 2 of them for each Powerwall. Now when we have all equipment connected with the conduits, we can start running wires. And after that, finish wiring for solar assemblies. And here's a killer feature from Tesla, backup switch. I'm gonna call electric company and they're gonna install this behind meter. And it has automatic transfer switch, which is in case of grid outage, will disconnect panel from a grid and entire main panel is gonna be backed up by Powerwalls. And here's the overview of installed system. We have 2 Powerwall Plus. This is main unit, this is expansion unit. In the main unit we have solar input, we have 2 strings. Then we have AC input. This is going to backup switch, and that one is a rapid shutdown button. On expansion unit we have AC wires going to panel and the communication wire to communicate with other Powerwall. On the back side of the panel, right here, we have 2 AC disconnects, 1 for each panel. Then we have rapid shutdown button, and then we have switch. Electric company, in my case PG&E, has to come, remove this meter, install backup switch, then I can commission system and it's gonna work. And here's the final results. Alright guys, that's all about this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching and see you later.